In this video, I will show you how to create wedding invite tracker using Microsoft Excel. So firstly, open Microsoft Excel, then new and search here wedding. This template suggestions search weddings. So you will find wedding expense budget. You need to find out invite tracker like this one, wedding invite tracker. Click on it and create. So guys, it's easy to use template. You can make changes according your requirement. You can add here guest name. So this is the name list. You can add more. City, state, zip, phone, and contact number. So here is the two sheet and make changes and modify this document as your requirement. Also guys, you can change color, style, and complete data. And in the last, you can click on print, or you can save it in PDF and different format. Save your desired format, save as type. So select from this list PDF or any another format. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.